Welcome back to the channel. Please like, comment, subscribe so that I can deliver more, guys. So this is the question for today from 2023 April and 4. So today we're gonna be dealing with square to 2 circles junction piece. So it goes as follows. There you were given the scale of 1 to 10. When you're given the scale of 1 to 10, it means that any measurement that they give you on the diagram, I'm gonna divide it by 10. If it's 900, it's gonna be 90. If it's 400, it's gonna be 40. If it's 520, 52. Okay. The question says you draw the given view. Here's the given view. You draw the top view and the half pattern of the junction piece. To join the pattern are shown at XX and YY. So it says that clearly indicate all the construction line, and you print the following title.1. Okay, so this is our question for the day, guys. Okay, here I have already drawn the given view. So now we're gonna move to the question paper. The question paper says we need to draw the top view, and we also need to draw the half pattern of the junction piece. All right, so now we're gonna start with the top view. This is a given view. If there's anyone who is having challenge to draw the given view, I know some might have a challenge on what's the angle here. So at the question paper they didn't mention, but the angle here actually is 30. So you're just gonna cut it by a ruler like this. You measure 40 here, then after you just combine it with this line. Okay, now we need to draw the top view here. Okay, let's start here. We're gonna take the line of each corner down so that we just know that, just to make our life easy. Okay, and this one here. This one. And the same as that. This one. And this one. Okay, here I'm done with taking the line down. Now we need to draw our square. Remember, we were told in the question paper that from here to here is a square. So now we need to draw the square. Square is equal in all sides, so we got 60 millimeter size square in all the sides. So just gonna put it like that. Okay, here is our square. Now here we were told that we have a circle 52 diameter. Okay, now we need to draw the circle. The circle was starting here to here. So now we're gonna come here. We need to find the center of this square. All right, let me, okay, here 60, so it's gonna be 30. Just do 30. Yes, our center. Then just draw a straight line on this on the mark that you just made here. Now I'm gonna come here, draw a circle. This is my center line. Remember, your circle is touching the outside line of the square, as you can see here. So actually this given view is the one that is going to help you to draw the top view. So you should read and understand the given view before you come here. Any line that they drawn there on the given view, you should draw it and check it how it's going to help you. Okay, now now we have the circle done. Okay, what do I need now? I need to draw the circle this side. This will help me to draw the circle this side. Remember, our circle on this side is not a fine circle, so it's not round, it's like oval. Okay, so we come here now. We need to take this line down. Yeah, remember this is 30, so we're just gonna use 60 to take this line down like that. Then now we're taking them down as well. As I said, this is not a fine round, it's a sort of an oval, but this will help you to get the circle here. So you're gonna start your starting point. This point here is gonna be here, and the last one is gonna be here. So how to find the other points on this side? You just come here on this second line here, you point it here, you go there, come. What we know is that this line here is equal to this line here. Oh, what did I measure with this one here? This line here is equal to this one here. So what you do on that side, you're gonna just do it on this side. You do it bottom and top. Just wait a moment. Do the same thing on the next line. Come, you mark, next one. Because of this is the same as this, the height are the same. Then you take the center line. Okay, so now you're gonna use your flexi rule curve, or your flexi ruler to draw this circle. You don't just do it by hand, you use the flexi ruler. This is a flexi ruler, you see here, you see how it flex, or you use the flexi curve. But me, now I'm just gonna use hand, but you guys in examination room, you have to use a flexi ruler or curve to get a fine shape there to score marks. Okay, this is what we got here. Now we are done here with a top view. What's left for us is to see how are we gonna number it. So now we come here. Let's say, because of they told us to draw the half pattern of the junction piece, so now they told you that this side is YY and this side is our XX. So we could draw in half. We only gonna number half of this half, like bottom or top, is up to you. I'm just gonna go with the bottom. So here's let's start with, on the square, I'm gonna name it. Here I'm gonna say it's A, here I'm gonna say it's B, and here I'm gonna say is C. We have a D here and E here. Remember, you have to check on your given view. As I said, check the line first, you read the lines. As you can see here, this is your square, this is your square, it's this square. So on a front view, this is a front view, so this is your square, but this is a top view, which one you're looking at from the top. So you see here, they showed you that there's a line that is connecting these two circles here. This is connecting these two circles. So here you have to have a point where they meet. You're gonna have a point there, the top view. So that's why here says C. Okay, we're done numbering our sorry guys, we're done numbering our square. Now we come to the circle. Let me just do this to equal parts. Okay, I'm gonna start with 0 on this side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we come into the small circle. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, that is it. Let's take these lines of 1, 2, the one that I just named now, up. We wanna see them there on a even view. We need to take them up. This will help you a lot. I'm just gonna show you now why we're taking them up. So let's name our top view as well. So we're gonna start with a square. Remember I said here is a square. So here we're gonna have A and B. So this side we have A and B. That's how we label it. And then here on this point we have C. We labeled C. Yeah, C. On the end here is D and E. So here we wanna have E and let me start with D and E. Now let's go to our circle, the big circle. Our circle starts here and ends here. So here we labeled the 0 at the end. So we're gonna have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at the end is 6. Our small circle here start with 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay. So this is how it is. So from the given view, the top, the front view here, you can just see that your A is connected to 0 here, and B also is connected to 0, 1, 2, and 3. So because of, you see this line here, it ends at 3. So it already tells you that your B on a circle is gonna be connected from 0 to 3. This line, it helps you a lot. And then 3 is gonna be connected to C again. So it's gonna be like that. Okay. So wait a moment. I want to use something different here so that we can all see the shape of our given view. This is the shape of our given view. This is the shape of our given view. Remember me, I'm using the pen to draw this thing so that my line can be visible enough for anyone to see. If I use the pencil, some line are gonna be very faint, so not all of you gonna see what's going on here. Okay, this was our given view. Our given view was given a start. So as I was saying that our A is connected to 0, B is connected to 0, 1 and 2 and 3. See? And 3 is connected to C, C is connected to 4, 5, 6 is also connected to 7, and our C is going to be connected to 8 as well. As you can see that there's a line here. There's already a line that on a given view that they give you like this. The line that is given like this. So this line shows a lot that this is connected to this point that here you have here. Is going to help you like that. So these lines help you a lot to know how you're gonna connect your points here. This is how it's gonna go. Now we are done here, we come here. B, as on the top says, connected to 1, it's connected to 2, it's also connected to 3, and our 3, let me take this thing out for now. Our 3 is connected to C, C is connected to 4, is connected to 5, is connected to 6, it's also connected to 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and then these connected to 10, 11, 12, and number 13. Okay, so here you're gonna just make a point here just to show that this string is connected. So here we are done. Now we just need to draw the half pattern here. Okay, let me do this real quick for anyone to see how our top view it is, because of now I'm making so many lines here, and I'm not even using fade lines because of I need, so I'm not sure if my drawing is very clear for everyone. So your given view is gonna, your not given view, your top view, the shape of your top view is gonna look like the one on the highlight line. Okay, this is it. Now we're gonna go to true lengths. Now we go into true lengths. Okay. Now we go into true lengths. This is where our lines end. Remember the true length here. As you can see that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the numbering on this circle is sitting on the top line there. Is all of them. But when we come to the small circle, they are not sitting on the straight line because of this is on an angle. So we're gonna have to take any point there, come into this line, because they are not sitting on the same line. Okay, now it's done. Now we need to draw now. To draw this, we're just gonna start with just make a line like this. Let's see here. You first check where is our x-axis, where is, so this thing is gonna be closed here because of we drawing half pattern. So but they told you on the question paper that this is your yy, this is your x-axis. So this is where we need it to close this side. So if we need it to close here and here, where can we start? We're gonna start here at point C, because of point C it holds 2 points which can help us here. It held 6 and 7 this side. So in 6 and 7 they are on a straight line. That's why I'm saying we're gonna start here. So here, this point here, I'm just making it for 6, number 6, and we measure here. The straight line is coming. This point here is for number 7. So we have 6 and 7 already. We're going to see now. 6 and 7 is gonna help us to find number. See, you take that, you take it. C6. C6. You mark it here. You go to a line of 6. Your line of 6. Remember now I'm working with the big circle. All the line all the numbering, the points on the big circle, they are here on the top line. So all of the point on the big circle, they are on the top line. Here, you make an arc here. We want C7. You come here. C7. 7 is on the top line as well. Okay. Where they meet here. This is where you're gonna have your C point. This is where you have your C point. Now if we have C now, it helps us a lot to move on to the next points. We come here now. Now we're working with the big circle only, then we're gonna come this side. C5 now. As I said, that the points on the big circle, they're all on the top line. So you're just gonna use the top line for now here, top line. And you take the equal parts here from 6 to 5. Okay, it's gonna be like that. This is your 5, C4. Here 5, now we're moving to 4, to the last line. C4. Okay, the distance between 4 and 5, 5 and 6, they're the same because these are equal. C3. Come here. C3. The last line. Now we are done with point for the point that C holds, because of, okay, let me just do this. This one we highlight it, we make it bold, so C it holds until to 3, but this one when you draw, don't make it bold, you just made it fair like that. Now we're gonna count. We have three holds C and B, point C and B, so 3 is gonna help us to find B. Now we need the B dray. You come here, go to the last line, we need B here. So we made an arc here. Now we need the point of B here. From C to B is the distance here. C to B. Come here, make where 2 lines meet is our point. This is our B. From B we go, we have 3B already. Now we go to B2. B2 to the last line. Come here, make an arc. Come here. This is number 2. B1. Okay. B1 to the last line. Okay. B1. Now we're moving to B0. Remember, 0 is holding B and it's also holding A, so it's gonna help us find A, B0. B and the 0 is gonna help us find A as well. Here is our 0, so this is how far B can go. B holds these points, all of these points from 0, 1, 2 and 3. That's all it holds. Okay, now we need the last point here, which is A. The 0 is going to help us find A. So now you see that the 0 and A, they are exactly on the same point here. There's no space that you can take, so it's this line. It's just this line here. Just gonna take this line here. From 0, you're just gonna mark, we make a arc in here. And you take from A, we need to go to B. You take the distance between A and B. So we're gonna point it here on B. We found our A. This is our A. And now our A only holds 1 point on a circle, which is 0. Here it shows as well. 0, A, 0. Okay. We are done with a big circle. Now we come into the small circle. Remember, on a small circle, this is sitting on an angle, so we're using different lines now. Things change. Okay, we have we ended at 7 is here. Now we need to move to 8. Now we're gonna say C8. Okay, where's our 8 here? It's our second line from the top. So okay, let me check. Yeah, okay. Second line from the top. It's this line here. Okay, C8. Now you're gonna take the distance between 7 and 8. We're using it. C8. Same thing. C9 now. Remember, C is holding about 8 points on the small circle and on the big circle. Now we need a line for 9. Where's our 9? Here. It's the third line from the top. We also need the C10. This is the last point that C holds now. C10. This whole line of a 10 is a center line. So you're gonna come here. Okay. 10. As you can see, here's our point of C. C it holds from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See here? C, it goes here. C goes here. That's as far as it's gonna go. Now, you can just show us that C points ends where? Here. Now we know that C, from one point we have about 8. Now we need to go to D. We are done with C. We need D, and D is connected to 10, which is where we ended. So we're gonna use 10 to find B, to find D. Okay, D10 now. D10. You come here. The 10 is a center line, so you're gonna just go to the center line again. Okay. Come here. Make a mark here. Then we need D. We take the distance between C and D. Come here, you find your D. This is our D. Okay, now we have D. D is also connected to 11, 12, and D. Now we go into D11. D11, where is our D11 there? Where is our number for 11? It's a fat line from the bottom. Okay. This is our number 11. Okay, D. Now we're going to D12. Mark here. D12. Now our line for number 12 is the second line from the bottom. Now we're going to D13, which is the last point that D can hold. D, where is our line here? 13 is the last line, the bottom line. Remember guys, as you make these points here, you need to show us with a ruler like where this point goes. If you like, this is the D13, you have to make us like, you have to show it, all of them. So now I don't want to make this video long, so that's why I'm not making this one, but you need to make them as well as label them. Remember that as well. Now we need to show here that which point does D hold. Okay. Now from 13 we go to our last point here, which is E. All right. E. 13, we have 13. Now we're going to E13. Remember, 13 is the bottom line, the last line. Okay. What's going on there? Sorry guys. Now we're gonna move. We made an arc. We're gonna move from D to E. We take the distance between D and E. Come. Okay, here's a point for E. This is done. It's done. Remember this point A, B, C, D, and E is the point on the square. So when you come here, you're gonna just use a straight line because of it's a square. Square is a straight line. Just like that. From point to point, you just make a straight line because of it's a square. But here is a circle. So a circle is not a straight line. This one 0, 1, 0 up to 13. So here we're gonna need to use a flexi ruler or flexi curve. Remember me, I'm using the hand. So this one from just move it from a point to point. Sorry guys. This here is our last line. This is how this is gonna look. So we are done here actually. We are done here. This is how this is gonna look. This is how the half pattern is gonna look. If you didn't understand anything, don't be afraid to comment, and I'll be willing to assist as much as I can. Thank you, and follow for more. Love you all.